Hi Nanditha,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm doing good, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Like this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, before starting that, congratulations for completing your course.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Nanditha, introduce about yourself.
Okay, my name's Nanta, and I've taken up this CSEM course through online during the month of December, C24 batch.
Which college you are from?
So I graduated my engineering from BMS College of Engineering through civil branch.
Oh, that's nice. Like how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
So since I was searching for jobs and things like that, so I got a reference in Google itself. CMTI is a placement where it will be helping me out for my job placements and things like that.
Okay, that's nice. Can I know the reason why you have gone to online?
Okay, since I had various reasons, and it's a most comfortable platform being online, so you don't have to take your laptop and move around. Every course that is taken up in the regular class is being taken up even in the online, and the amount of attention they give you online is also more as compared to the offline classes and everything. The trainers are very, very good. Like they help you with everything, ma'am. Like you name it, even the smallest of the thing, they'll help you with everything.
Okay, how was the classes scheduled for you? How the coordinators were coordinating with you?
Okay, so my coordinator was Vidya ma'am, and she was very helpful, and immediately she responds to things back, and everything, all the work is done in one shot. I don't have to worry about things. And coming to classes, especially, I would like to specify about Natarajan sir. He's one of the best faculty. He teaches you with even with the baby steps, from the baby steps, like whether you know it or not. So he's gonna put everything into your mind about it, and it's really good. I think he's like the best faculty I could name.
Yeah, like getting to know about the classes and which sessions were conducting at what time. How was that notification you used to get?
Okay, the notification was informed prior, 1 day prior about the next day's schedule and everything. In case I was busy or something, I could reschedule the classes through the coordinators or attend the classes again through whenever the class is conducted the next time, or in case even if that's not possible, they would send me the recording, so it was very helpful. Just in case I don't miss any class, everything was sorted out.
Okay, how the CMT app helped you out? What are the benefit of app?
There's a lot of courses in the CMTI app which could help me build in my career, and it actually opened up my mind, especially the drones in construction was one of the course which opened up my mind, that thinking that being in civil, there's some relation with the IT field. I mean, IT in the sense something which is booming. So there's a connection. I got that confidence. It really gave me that confidence that I can do something between civil and the coming automotive sectors.
How was your software sessions? What are the softwares you have learned, and how was the trainer support towards you?
Okay, coming to softwares, I was given a touch on the basics about SketchUp and AutoCAD and project management, that is MSP. So I got a basic idea about all the different courses. Maybe it adds up a little bit value to my resume as well, saying that I know so many courses. So it was a very good platform, and the CSEM course covered most of the syllabus, which could be covered in the whole of your engineering of 4 years.
Okay, can I know what are the topics you have learned in CSCM?
Okay, coming to the topics, I've learned about the sequence of construction, reading of drawings, and then procurement management and the methodologies of construction, on-site and off-site, and various things, and cost estimation, project management, and various other things.
Okay, like when you are coming for offline, right? How was the HR support and other staff support towards you? How was the conversation between them?
So the moment I stepped into CMTI, talking to the HR, that is Shweta ma'am, and one of the coordinators, Deepa ma'am, they're very, very helpful. The amount of confidence that they gave me, I had the regret that I took civil engineering, but then stepping into CMTI just like boosted up my confidence, and that was a really big step for my future.
Okay, that's nice. Like It was a great talk with you. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends or juniors about CMTI?
Okay, I think it's a very great platform because there are many courses where you can choose, and coming to job opportunities, you name it. You name it in whichever role you want. CMTI has offers and connections. I guess you can check the LinkedIn profile. The amount of connections that they have is immense. I can say that.
Okay, Nandita, that was nice. Thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.